guys, how are we today? I'm here to talk about a very important topic which should have been done earlier, but I'm so sorry I'm covering it up today. So I'm not teaching you any drape today. But what is actually happening is I'm talking about the sentiment of a silk saree. सिल्क बहुत ही डेलिकेट फैब्रिक है और उसके ऊपर आज हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं मैं आपको बताती हूँ. कुछ वीडियोस मैंने देखा और मुझे ऐसे देख के ऐसा लगा कि नहीं, ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए. सो क्या होता है, ऐसे मैं भी आपको बोलती हूँ कि आप आयनिंग बोर्ड में इस तरह से सेट कर ले और उसके बाद आयन नहीं करे, सिर्फ पिन्स लगा ले, वो भी जहाँ ज़रूरत है. ठीक है, या इस तरह से हम इसको सेट करते हैं. प्लीज़, ये भी सही है. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या करते हैं, उसके बाद लुक एट दिस वेरी हॉट आयन. उसके बाद आयन लेते हैं और मुझे इतनी तकलीफ़ हो रही है इस सिल्क साड़ी को आयन करने में, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैं खुद अपने हाथ से अपनी इतनी सुंदर साड़ी को डैमेज कर रही हूँ. बट मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा. मेरी एक साड़ी डैमेज करने से अगर बाकी साड़ियाँ बच जाती है तो आई थिंक इट इज़ वर्थ इट. ये करने के बाद हम क्या करते हैं, इसको यहाँ लाते हैं और फिर इसको हम और आयरन करते हैं अपनी पूरी ताकत से, जितना हीट मिल सके, फुल पावर इसमें, और पूरे हीट के साथ हम इसको आयरन करते हैं. फिर इसके बाद इसको नीचे करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद आप इसको स्प्लिट करते हो. ठीक है, स्प्लिट करने के बाद आप यहाँ बेसिकली पीछे से लेकर यहाँ तक के यू बेसिकली आयरन एवरीथिंग. And instead of draping the sari, it looks as if you are wrapping the sari on her. So I feel really hurt. Now why? First of all, when we buy a silk sari, हम क्या कहते हैं कि हम silk साड़ी इसलिए खरीद रहे हैं because देखो silk साड़ी expensive होती है, and we know the fact that being expensive, if you keep it properly, you can pass it down to generations, but only if you keep it properly. Let me tell you, I have a sari which is 100 years old. My nani's mother-in-law gave it to nani, then mummy, and then mummy से मेरे पास वो साड़ी आई. आज भी उस साड़ी जितनी सुंदर weave, I don't think so I'll ever see. And it's been kept so properly and it's so intact. कुछ नहीं फटा, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, इसलिए क्योंकि नानी ने और नानी की जो mother-in-law है, whichever stories I've heard from Nani, she said Nani never ironed her sari, and wherever she felt there was a crease which she wanted to remove, she used to take a tumbler kind of a thing, heat it in the stove or whatever it is, and then just remove that little crease. So basically bare minimum heat in the sari, and that's how it could actually be passed on. And I have that sari, but the kind of heat that we are putting, this is what we are doing, and iron and iron and iron, and making it so kadak like a paper. With this kind of an harsh treatment to your silk sari, trust me guys, future generation to you forget. I don't think so with this kind of a heat you will be able to repeat your sari. Now my mom wants to wear it in open palla. Done. Now I take this, I remove this, and my mom wants to wear it in open palla. Now for sure, if she wants to wear it in open palla, you can see these lines. You can see them very clearly. Look at this. Now, to remove these lines, again, look at this. You can see my sari? This is on full heat. You can see this. Now I'm putting in heat. Now look at the amount of heat I have to put to remove the creases. Oh my God, and still it is not going. Can you see this? And I'm fully doing it right in front of you so that you all can understand. Now what is going to happen? Now you've used extra heat here and extra heat in your palla. And the rest of the sari is still pure. Its shine, its luster, its purity, it's still there. But the other part where you've used extra heat, वो थोड़े टाइम बाद जब आप वापस पहनने जाओगे वो चिर जाएगा, वो फट जाएगा. Why? Because other than this, this sari has been overheated and it's dead basically. This silk is still alive, but this is dead. Now, if you want to keep your sarees properly, and if you are a person, a collector of silk sarees, I'm sure you've never done this and you will never do this. But for all those who've started wearing sarees and who've started collecting sarees, please don't do this to your silk sarees. In case you have these prominent lines in your saree and you feel it is disturbing your drape and you want to get rid of it, just take your iron in minimum setting and very lightly, just remove that particular line. See, I've done it. Instead of making creases, try and remove creases and use iron bare minimum required. So I think with this way, I promise your sarees, when I become a nani and grand nani, I know my grandchildren will be wearing my silk sarees because I'm not going to use so much heat. And you promise me today, even you will stop doing it in case you're doing it. And if you're not doing it, this is for you. So take care, guys. I love you all and keep loving sarees. It's the best attire we can wear.